It is odd that after such a long day and not exactly remaining silent since I did stream with others, I find myself wanting to stream again. Well, not stream, since I'll be uploading this video and it won't be live by the time you hear it. But it makes me wonder whether streaming is a behavioural addiction like gambling, kleptomania, or, well, I have to ask myself, what could be so bad about it other than the compulsion to be streaming almost constantly? OV streamed for over 24 hours, I think. Now, he may be doing it perhaps to get on the Guinness Book of Records, whether he's auditioning to be a radio presenter, who knows? But what is undoubtedly true is that the expression of our ideas is therapeutic and, well, if sufficiently focused, will help us to eventually solve problems, because by expressing ideas in words, we subject them to analysis and record and record and analysis. And the act of expressing our views makes it more likely for the problem, if it's a problem, to be solved, or the idea to be propagated if it's an idea about solution. So what am I trying to say? I guess I'm trying to say that we may get addicted with social media and smartphones to the expressing of ourselves to the detriment of listening to others wiser than us expressing themselves, since if we are all chattering to ourselves, then we're not listening to other people, and maybe we should. And I suppose the problem is getting to a hierarchy of being higher status if our content is better. But then I wonder how true the number of one's subscribers is about the quality of our content. Now, I suppose, we can give a lot of things a benefit of the doubt and assume that the people with more subscribers than us are more meritorious. But I don't think I can accept that. I think a lot of people who are more popular than me are more popular because, well, one of the ways of getting more subscribers and more interest is to be sociable and let people come on your stream and go on other people's stream, and you get known by a group of people, and whether they like you or not, they will boost your channel by posting in your chat and being your viewers either when the stream is live or afterwards. So it doesn't matter, why they watch you, even if they hate watch you, as long as they watch you. And but of course, this is no indication of content, the quality of your content, which, well, how is one to judge the quality of one's content? its popularity. And that, I guess, is a philosophical question. And philosophy, as you know, is the love of wisdom. And I've always wondered whether it is possible to measure wisdom. I suppose you could do it objectively by well, okay, let's define wisdom. And wisdom is the ability to avoid and solve problems, as well as the ability to predict the future. And I suppose we must have some measure of our ability to predict the future and of course our reputation for wisdom. So I think this is something for philosophy departments to discuss and perhaps measure. And I'd quite like to know how far up or down I am on the pecking order, because I think it would profit humanity to measure the wisdom of a person, or indeed a group. Imagine if you could measure the wisdom of Jews and compare it to gentiles of different nations, or compare different groups of Jews, the wisdom of different groups of Jews, and see who is the wisest, and then know what kind of Jew to be, and know what kind of Gentile to be, and which rules to follow. It could be quite interesting, but I think I've rambled long enough already. I'm surprised. I seem to have thought of a new idea at the end of a very long day, and it is now about 1 o'clock. But, thank you for listening.